In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn handwritten text into Notion pages in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a student taking notes in class or a professional jotting down thoughts during meetings, this process can streamline your workflow and help you manage information more effectively. So let's get started. First, we need to open ChatGPT. This is going to act as our assistant in this process. ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can help us at various stages, but today, it's specifically crucial for text extraction from images. Make sure you have it ready to go before the next step. Now, take out your handwritten notes and capture their image using your smartphone or a scanner. Once you have a clear photo, upload it to ChatGPT. Here, we'll extract the text from the image. It's important that during the upload, the image is clear and well lit to ensure that the text extraction is as accurate as possible. This step can save time, ensuring that you don't have to manually type everything out. Once ChatGPT has processed the image, you'll have your handwritten notes converted into editable text. The next step is simply to copy this extracted text. Make sure you highlight everything you need and ensure it matches your original notes. While this step seems straightforward, take a moment to skim over the text for accuracy, as automatic extraction sometimes requires a quick review to ensure nothing's been missed or altered. With your text copied, now it's time to move over to Notion. If you're not familiar with Notion, it's a powerful tool for organizing tasks, notes, and much more. Once Notion is open, navigate to where you'd like to store this new information. You'll be creating either a new page or a new database entry to house your notes. Creating a new page is typically the best route for clarity and organization, especially if your notes are extensive. After setting up your new page, go ahead and paste the copied text into Notion. Having your text inside Notion already starts to show its potential. But to maximize clarity and usability, it's essential to utilize Notion's unique formatting capabilities. Take a few moments to format your notes using Notion blocks. These can help bring order to the text, making it far more digestible and visually appealing. As you incorporate headers, checklists, or bullet points, you're transforming basic text into an organized document that's not only easy to read, but also easy to navigate. And just like that, in a matter of moments, your handwritten notes have been digitized and are neatly structured within Notion, ready for you to reference or expand upon at any time. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this method helpful in managing your notes seamlessly. Until next time, keep exploring efficient ways to boost your productivity.